Hey Shooby-Doodlers, how are you doing? This is a very quick video to let you know that Affinity have got a sale on at the moment, 20% sale. I'm not affiliated to them, I have nothing to do with them at all. However, on my Patreon page I am kind of using Affinity Photo, not using Affinity Design, no, I'm using Affinity Publisher, which is in beta at the moment, to show how to manipulate photographs like it's Photoshop, but it's not. Publisher is very like InDesign, showing how to make picture books. Do you know, I pay about £600 a year, and I think in the States you pay about $600 to be on Creative Cloud to be able to use Photoshop and InDesign. And you can buy Affinity for about £38 or something. I don't know what it is in the States, but it'll be something similar, $30 something dollars at the moment, which is a bargain. And that's it. You don't have to pay monthly. And if you don't know how it works, then come over and join me on Patreon. I will show you, and I'll show you kind of how to save $600, £600 a year on your digital sort of photo software, stuff like that. So I use it for scanning and for just adding stuff to photographs and my artwork and things like that to create books. So that's what I'm doing on Patreon, showing you how to create picture books, right from teaching you how to draw, how to illustrate, how to design books, and how to actually create them using Ingram Spark. Yeah. So there you go, how to get your book on Amazon and actually in your hand, owning it. There you go, I've done my duty. If you want to break free from Adobe Creative Cloud, you can do it. You don't have to keep paying all that stuff. Affinity Photo is fantastic. I'm working with Publisher at the moment, which is in beta, and it's looking really, really good. So there you go, go and get those and come and join me on Patreon, and everything's going to be fantastic. And if you don't know anything about Patreon, click up here and I'll explain it all there.